Hi, I'm Adam from ADM Roofing, a family-run business from Glasgow. So this was a roof at the end of its life. The guy was getting a lot of leaks in his roof, some rotten sacking and damage to the sacking area. So obviously the guy got a price off us to get a new roof installed. And here we are, the first day on the job, stripping the roof. So this roof was originally a plain tiled roof, but we're changing it to a single lap concrete, Redland charcoal grey tile. The chimneys are getting new cold 5 lead installed in the chimneys, and also the chimneys will be getting rough casted.